Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and we all know that masks have been part of our lives now for a while, but why not make them fun colors and really comfortable? These face masks from Borje store are really awesome, and I've been using them for the past year. What I like about them is that you have 50 of them, and I always get the multi-pack, so that means I get 5 different colors, so you can have a different color every day, or just like coordinating with your outfits is sometimes fun. You have different colors to choose from, so you have the darker black and gray, you have the lighters, the white and the pink, and you even have this really fun purple color. One of the other reasons I really like these masks is the way that it fits to my face. So with some masks, they really bend my ears down, and after having to wear them for a while, a couple hours, they hurt so much. So these ones, the loops are really good. So they're not over stretchy, because I've had those too where they're just like they don't fit then. These are really comfortable. They form to your face. The mask itself, it wraps up to your nose, and it has the bridge where you can press down so it fits to your shape, and then it goes all the way around your face, and then it goes underneath as well. So it lays flat, and it also makes it feel really comfortable because you have more room inside the mask as well. So it's not right up against you, but it gives you a little bit more space. If you're like me and you've learned so much about germs in these past couple years, and whether you're going to the doctor or traveling, or maybe you're just sick yourself and you want to have some extra protection, I still like wearing masks when I'm traveling and feeling sick. So that's why I make sure I always have these on hand. I have all the different colors to match outfits or just your mood of how you're feeling. These masks are super good. The KF94 masks are the ones to get, and that's my point of view.